Good morning, everyone. I hope you're well today. I'm obviously not at school. I was about to say I'm not here, but I am here where I am. Bit of an existential crisis. So, today we're talking about graphing in science. So, you're going to be firstly taking some notes, and then you're going to be doing an activity. And after that, I still haven't decided, you'll find out. So, the notes we're going to take are the rules that we use for graphing, and you're going to follow these same rules all the way through school. And I would like you to write these down. Pause this at any stage. I'm going to talk through it now. So pause if you want to write it first, or you can pause me after I talk about it. It's up to you. So, rules for graphing. Firstly, you should always draw these in pencil using a ruler. I don't want any hand-drawn graphs. I don't want anyone to be like, yeah, boom, 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 boom. That is not on at all. Secondly, labels should only be written in pen when you're sure of them. So, for example, you might be using a ruler to go along, and you might be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 9, 10. And then realise that you're going to run out of space. So I always suggest doing these in pencil first. I know in maths I always like you to use pen, but here when we're doing graphs I'd like you to start off in pencil first. The number of times I've had to restart a graph because I didn't realise one of my variables would go as high as it ended up doing. Your scale should be even, so you should go up like 0, 5, 10, 15, 20. I don't want random numbers like 3, 7, 15, 16, 28, and I always like it in nice like 5s and 10s or 1s and 2s. It's a bit hard going up in 3s. 4s are a bit better. I always like nice numbers, like nice ones that you know the times tables of, to be honest. Number 4, when you draw a bar chart, so you're used to bar charts. Let me get up a generic bar chart. Bar charts are these ones. They look like... I'm just trying to find a cool GIF for bar chart. And a lot of them are pie graphs, and it's killing me. And then we've got Puss in Boots from Shrek. Fair enough. Okay, well the best bar chart we had was up the top. Obviously your bar charts won't move because you're drawing them in pen and pencil, but they're those looking ones. They should always be even widths, so you should use a ruler for those, so they look really good. The independent variable, now we spoke about independent and dependent variables. The independent variable is the one that you change deliberately. So, for example, when it was Lisa doing some skips, the independent variable was she was changing the length of the rope, the skipping rope she was using. The dependent variable is what you end up measuring. So in that one, the dependent variable was the amount of skips that she ended up doing in that amount of time. The independent variable is always drawn on the x-axis, and that is the horizontal. So that's that looking thing. And the dependent variable is always drawn on the y-axis, which is the vertical one, which goes up and down. We use bar charts to compare amounts and for data that comes in categories, and we use line graphs to show the change of one variable as it relates to another change.